Acid Rain Lab. So the first sample that I'm going to do is marble. So we have our 6 molar hydrochloric acid and our marble chip. Gonna make some observations and list your observations on your data sheet. You know, we could probably just leave the droppers in the bottle at each station. Just make sure they're not on the edge of the table so you don't knock them over, everyone, please. This is what it looked like before. Here's after. So, write your observations down. The next one we are going to do is our red sandstone. Okay. Here's our 6 molar hydrochloric acid. The dropper. Look for reaction.
It's on the acid rain pre-lab, right?
Yeah.
No. It's not the pre-lab, it's just its own lab paper.
What?
Let me see. Is there one posted for Tuesday?
No.
No.
No. All right. Can you just record with your phone or grab a sheet of paper and write down your observations?
Okay.
Would that be okay? Here's what I have right here.
So it's we're just writing down.
You can write them down, or you can take a little video of your phone so you don't forget what happened at each one.
You're doing two
So we
different
don't need our
bottles.
computer.
I thought it was on your computer. It must not be posted. Is that okay? If I just repost it when I get back in the classroom, so I don't have to stop my video?
So it's not this.
No,
Alright.
it's not.
That's mainly why don't we do drop some of the acid on each rock. That's proper running.
No, those are all the same rocks. All of those are limestone.
Let's do one of them, okay? So, remember I read the directions to you before it started? You're going to place 1 or 2 filled droppers of hydrochloric acid on one of the samples. Record your observations on a data table. So you would just say whatever happens. Make good observations. So the whole dropper, like all of that.
2 whole drops.
All of it.
Yeah.
1 or 2, depending.
Here, I'm gonna get 2.
And then you would just test 1 sample with your partner at each station. Okay. All right. Make your observations. It didn't look like this before. Now we're back to that. That is our red sandstone. Okay. So let's do the sandstone that's silicous rock. So it is a type of sandstone, just a little different. Our 6 molar hydrochloric acid. We'll wait for a reaction. I don't see one. That's kind of what it looked like before. Again, this is the sample we tested. You're supposed to make observations at each
So
station.
where do the online kids get, yeah.
Huh? They have to fill out the data table too.
So how are they supposed to do the lab?
I'm doing it with them right now. That's why I said I'm recording.
Oh, right now?
This is our quartz sample.
Are they doing it with you?
Well, they're going to watch the video.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, good questions. They're going to make observations from the video. Okay, so this is our 4th sample. This is one that 2 students tested. Did you guys notice any like odors or anything? Any noises? Fizzy bubbles? Is it sizzling?
Mm-hmm.
You think the acid will get rid of my,
Yeah, I can see some
Allergies.
bubbles. And yours off on the side for
These are
sure.
about nasal drops.
It does have a little bit of a sizzle sound.
I think this one you can just.
That's an observation.
You wanna do it? Sure.
I think mine's starting to sizzle now too.
Oh.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, it's like really loud.
It's like Pop Rocks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't had that candy in forever. Have you ever had Pop Rock? Or like them?
Yeah.
I should have got some more.
Alright.
Let's do the next one. The next one is shale or slate. And I bet if you go down to any of the creeks here, you'll be able to find shale or slate. Those are those good skipping rocks, right? That are flat. Okay. Here's our hydrochloric acid. Here we go. Let's see.
It looks like I turned like transparent.
So far, I don't see much of a reaction. I don't hear any fizzy noises like we did with the quartz. Okay, let's move on. I think we have one more to do. We did marble, red sandstone, silicus, sandstone. I'll just write that here. And we did the quartz and the shale. And then our last one is limestone. You may have limestone in your driveway.
I did. We just had a rock split in half.
When are your rocks split in half?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's our 6 molar hydrochloric acid. I will do this one here. Ooh, look at that. The reaction time was much faster, don't you think? Even like the quartz didn't react that quickly. The limestone did. There's another sample that other students did. You can tell that there's vapors coming up from it for sure. Okay, so again, you make your own data table with observations and write down the 6 different types of rock that we used, and then please answer the follow-up questions.